Welcome. In this video, we'll explore Agile case studies and their real-world transformations. Through enterprise-scale, proven results, and best practices, you'll gain valuable insights into how Agile methodologies have driven significant improvements across various industries. Here's what we're going to explore. We'll start with tech giants and how they transformed their development processes. Then we'll dive into financial services and banking, highlighting Agile success stories. Next, we will study retail and e-commerce, with focus on customer-centric Agile transformations. Finally, we'll look at healthcare and Agile adoption in highly regulated environments. Let's begin with our first case study, a global e-commerce platform. This platform boasts over 200 million active users globally and employs over 15,000 engineers and developers. After implementing Agile, they experienced a 40% increase in their deployment frequency. Before Agile, the e-commerce platform faced several challenges. First, teams worked in silos. That is, development, quality assurance, and operations were isolated from each other. They also had slow release cycles of 6 months, which limited the ability to respond quickly to market changes. A legacy code base meant that there were growing maintenance costs as well. Finally, poor communication led to duplicated efforts. To tackle these challenges, the company embraced Agile Scrum. This transformation shifted them from a traditional waterfall approach, characterized by linear and rigid phases, to an iterative and flexible methodology with continuous delivery. This involved transitioning to 2-week sprint cycles, creating cross-functional teams, and implementing continuous integration practices. The Agile implementation journey began with pilot teams, where 3 volunteer teams started using Scrum in months 1 through 3. From months 3 to 6, there was intensive Agile training for over 500 team members. Scaling up occurred between months 6 and 12, expanding Agile to 50% of development teams using the Scaled Agile framework, SAFe. By months 12 to 18, the organization had completed its full Agile transformation. The results were significant. The time to market was 3 times faster, with release cycles reduced from 6 months to just 2 weeks. Defect reduction saw a 75% decrease in production bugs post-release. Developer satisfaction increased from 45% to 85%. Lastly, maintenance costs went down due to reduced technical debt, saving $2 million annually. Now let's examine our second case study. This involves a major investment bank, a global financial institution with over 50,000 employees worldwide and operations in 25 countries. It manages $1.5 trillion in assets. It faced challenges that included legacy systems with code bases that were 20-plus years old, strict regulatory compliance requirements, and a risk-averse culture that resisted change. To address these issues, the bank adopted a tailored Agile approach. This included a hybrid framework that combined Scrum with Kanban for regulatory projects, risk-first sprints. The bank also used 3-week sprints with mandatory compliance checkpoints, a compliance squad. The squad included dedicated regulatory experts embedded in each team and continuous audit with real-time monitoring and automated compliance checks. Here are the key takeaways from these case studies. First, start with pilot teams to build momentum and show early successes. Adapt frameworks such as Scrum and Kanban to fit specific regulatory needs and organizational contexts. Invest heavily in training and coaching to ensure teams understand and can effectively implement Agile principles. Lastly, secure executive sponsorship early to drive organization-wide buy-in and support for the Agile transformation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.